Well, hi, everybody. Stay-at-home grandma, and I have a quick couple of little DIYs. Mail call for you. I got this today in the mail. Isn't it cute? It is a coffee grinder, and it's a manual coffee grinder. I broke my coffee grinder. I don't remember what I was doing. I was grinding some flour, and I broke it, and I have to get a regular electric one, but I got a manual one to review. Let's see what this is from. This is Bizarre Antolia. It's a manual ceramic burr mill, and it's new. It's Bizarre Antolia coffee grinder. So let's take his hat off, shall we? How you doing? I am doing fine. Cold. Cold, 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 cold. Comes in a package like this. Let's see if there's any instructions or anything in it now. Then, open this. So, anyway, I'm going to chit chat while I'm talking. I'm going to be doing more art and more cooking. And I'm going to do my things usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But it seems to me that that's where my heart really lies, is the art. And also I'm going to do, nobody suggested a day. So if you suggest a day, except for Sunday, is what the instructions are. Talk much, I'm telling you. So, put this on. I'm going to, except for Sunday, if somebody suggests a day that we have like a little prayer chain going, it'll be about maybe 10 minutes is all we need. And we can put it on. I'm not doing this right, I don't think. Oh, because, but that don't make no sense. Wait a minute, let me look at, let me see. It says how to use. Take off the lid. Fill appropriate amount of coffee, but I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to put it together first. That much I know how to do. Well, let me see. Ah, there it goes. Okay, so I'm going to wipe this out a little bit. Probably should. I think I'm going to wash this out. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. So I went to go get, what is it, the Doppler, your carotid artery, right about here, I guess here and here, where they do the actual, it's not an MRI, I forget what it is anyway. And she was fine. And I just got all peaceful and everything like that, and I was just as happy. Then I had to go get my knees x-rayed. Well, honey, bend this way, bend that way, bend your knees, throw your legs up, throw them under, throw them around. I mean, come on, okay? I was so happy to get up out of there. After taking a half an hour of, what is that? It's not the MRI. You think I remember, but I don't. Okay. So anyway, long story short, we were supposed to go shopping yesterday, and when I came out of the doctor's office, the baby granddaughter and my husband were there, and he's like, "We ain't going shopping, no." And I said, "No, we're not. I'm done." I said, "She all but took my arms off." So anyway, I washed that out. I'm sorry. Now I got the coffee. See how it works. I got all kinds of coffee beans. I really probably need, well, I need to get a couple of grinders, so I'm going to go to Goodwill for one or two for the art room, and then, I'll get a new one for, I thought I saw one, and I should have ordered it, but for me to review, and I just didn't do it because I had the coffee grinder at that time, and I figured, well, I don't need all that. And then you just never know. But so these are the coffee beans, and this is French roast. This is Starbucks French roast. Yeah, I'm a Starbuckian. It smells, oh my God, smell it. I love the smell of coffee. Okay, so that's that. I think, might not go there though. So we shall see. Because I'm thinking that it would go up here, yeah. I just love it. Like Vietnam vets say, I love the smell of napalm in the morning. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. Okay, so I'm thinking it's coming down. I still like I like this. But I like the other one better. But after this is a good workout for me. My hands. It's coming down. Okay. Well, can you see that in there? So that's coming down. So that's that. That's I'll finish this later. And then last but not least, I'm getting Father's Day, birthday, all those kind of things. So I got some beard balm. I guess this will be for my son-in-law. It's allergy. Or contains fruit and nut butters and other oils. So, but he's not allergic to anything. And this is called Lucky Grooming. But that will be for him for his beard. And that's really it. Like I said, I'm cutting down on getting the stuff in because I'm going to be doing other things. So anyway, please suggest a couple of days where you might want to see the prayer. And I am going to have a giveaway probably next month. But anyway, moving right along, I'm going to go dry my coffee, and I'm going to go have some coffee, and I will talk to you all later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.